Hi friends, I'm Julia here with you today for our 8-minute reset yoga flow. Whether you're just waking up or simply need a fresh start in your day, this practice is an opportunity to pause, reset, and begin again. And with that, let's get started. Standing in our tall mountain pose in the center of our mat, lifting up through our center, finding our confidence and our energy in our stance. Coming into our energy breaths. As we're inhaling, we're opening up our arms, reaching our arms above our head, and meeting our hands back at heart center. Inhale, reaching our arms up. Exhale, meeting our hands at heart center. Breathing in. Coming into alignment in our day. Finding energy in our practice. Continuing our energy breaths. And now releasing our arms down and coming into our shoulder circles. So rolling our shoulders up, down, and back. Starting to wake up our shoulders and then reversing the direction. Inhaling once again, interlacing our fingers and reaching up tall. And then shifting from side to side, lengthening through our spine and moving through lateral extension and flexion. Reaching down, rolling our shoulders one more time. Let's interlace our hands behind our back, coming into our chest expansion. And then stepping out wide to a second position, turning out our toes slightly, inhaling, reaching up, and then coming into our moonflower bends. Inhaling, reaching up, bending both our arms and our legs at the same time, waking up our body, moving into our sunflower or our moonflower bends. Bending our arms and legs and extending, feeling the energy moving throughout our body, waking up and energizing, and then leaning forward, releasing our weight forward, maybe bending our knees, and then rolling up. Rolling through our shoulders once again, let's take a step towards the front of our mat, lifting up through our centers, finding a tall mountain stance. Inhaling, reaching our arms above our head, opening up, swan diving forward to our forward fold, reaching for our opposite elbows, bending and releasing through our knees, letting go in our neck. Lifting up halfway, we're coming into our sun salutation, releasing down and stepping back with our right foot into a lunge, meeting the left foot together into a plank, knees, chest, chin, releasing forward, and then coming up into our baby cobra. Shifting down, placing our hands underneath our shoulders, tucking our toes under, coming into a down dog. Let's start to wake up our down dog by pedaling through our feet, releasing one heel at a time down to our mat. Starting to wake up our down dog. Stepping forward, right foot into a lunge, left foot meets, and then releasing forward in our forward fold. Opening up our arms, we swan dive up, meeting with our hands at heart center. Finding our tall mountain stance once again. Inhaling, reaching up, opening up our arms, swan dive down. Coming up halfway and releasing forward fold. Now stepping back with our left foot. Our right foot meets into a plank, and then maybe waking up our plank, shifting forward and back a little bit. Untucking our toes, shifting down, knees, chest, chin, and then coming up into a baby cobra. Releasing down, shifting back, tucking under your toes, coming into a down dog. Continuing to pedal out your feet, waking up your down dog. Maybe bending both knees. Relaxing into our down dog, bending our knees, and then stepping forward, left foot forward, and then right foot comes to meet. Opening up our arms, swan dive up, meeting our hands at heart center, and releasing into our tall mountain stance. And let's repeat once again. Inhale up, releasing forward fold, coming up flat back and releasing down. Now stepping right foot back, left foot meets, shifting in our plank. Knees, chest, chin, lowering down with control. Now coming into our full cobra if we would like to. Shifting back, tucking our toes under, coming into our down dog. And continuing to pedal out our feet in our down dog. Stepping forward, right foot forward, and then left foot comes to meet the right. Inhale, coming up, meeting hands at heart center, and then finding our tall mountain stance, repeating once again. Inhale up, exhale down, stepping back, left foot back into a lunge, right foot meets in the plank, shifting forward and back in our plank, lowering down, knees, chest, chin, shifting up into our cobra, releasing down, and then shifting back, tucking our toes under, coming into our down dog, continuing to pedal out our feet in our down dog. Releasing down, bending our knees and lengthening, stepping forward and then meeting together. Inhale up and hands to heart center. And now moving into our chair flow, continuing to wake up our body, sitting back into a deep chair, moving our arms forward and then shifting our arms up above our head. So exhale, sitting into the chair, and inhale, lifting up, maybe opening up and looking towards the sky as well as you come up. And moving through this flow, sitting back in our chair, feeling the strength in our body, the strength in our thighs, connecting our movement with our breath, and then forward fold, making our way down to our seated position. Lifting up our toes, coming into our boat position, engaging through our core, feeling the strength in our center. Maybe choosing to extend our legs if we'd like to. Lowering our toes down, reaching our arms forward, let's roll back onto our back with our knees still bent. Lifting up into a tabletop position, engaging through our core, coming into our toe taps, tapping one toe down to the mat, making sure that we're remaining engaged with our core, closing any space between our back and the mat. And now if we'd like to, we can reach back, opposite arm as leg, making sure we're still really engaging through our center. Then releasing everything down. Just releasing for a moment, placing one hand on our heart and another on our belly. Finding a moment to connect back into our breath. Maybe opening up our knees into a butterfly or a reclining butterfly position. Finding a moment to connect back with ourselves. Maybe our intention for our practice today. Releasing this pose, hugging our knees into our chest, rocking from side to side, lifting one arm above our head and rolling onto our side, making our way back into our seated cross-legged position. Sitting up nice and tall, hands at heart center, finding a final breath in this practice. And together we say namaste. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day today for this short and sweet practice. Please also thank yourself for taking time to do something good for you. If you liked this video, don't forget to click the like button down below and subscribe for new videos coming soon. If you'd like a little extra support outside of this practice, I created a free 5-day reset guide to help you feel like yourself again. You can find it in the description below. Thank you so much once again for practicing with me today. I'm so glad that you're here. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you.